Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Leanna here. It's another episode of What's on the Porch, episode number 836, and today it's IPSY Glam Bag Plus for March. Look how cute that bag is. It reminds me of Rupert. Rupert? Is that the name of that game? I used to love to play that game. That little guy that jumped. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Ooh, I'm showing my age there. Let's get into it and see what we got. It comes with a card. Doesn't have any information about the products, but it does have some good information. This has some dynamic skincare duo information and stuff like that. But I have everything pulled up from my email so that we can go through it all. I have 5 items in my bag, and I'm going to start with the 2 that I chose. I think I chose them. I tried to look and see what I picked. I know I picked this, the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric Radiant Polishing Mask. I have used this mask several times. As a matter of fact, I have a tube of it and a backup. That's how much I liked it. And the reason that I picked it was because I wasn't real crazy about my choices. So I chose this because this retails for $45. It's part exfoliator, part face mask. Leaves the skin feeling smooth and hydrated, and it really does. I love this. I even love the way it smells. So now I have 2 backups of that. I need to get on getting my mask on more often. And then I believe that I chose this Briogeo, this stuff for your hair. This is Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. And this retails for $24, and I love this brand. I picked up some of their conditioners at Marshall's and absolutely love it. So I'm very excited to have that. And then I have this Vitabrid C12 Wrinkle Serum. And I think that this retails for $85, $72. Way off. Not terribly off, but a little bit. This is powered by secret code P-151 to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for firmer looking revitalized skin. Novel peptides for revitalization. I'm guessing that this is a Korean beauty brand since it has Chinese. I think that's Chinese or Korean writing on it. It's to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while revitalizing for firmer looking vibrant skin. Apply 2 to 3 pumps to the face and neck. Gently massage into the skin until it's well absorbed. And because I am simplifying my skincare routine, I will not be using this on my face. I'm not sure if I will put this in the giveaway box. Since it says you can use it on your neck, I might keep it and use it on my neck, put it in the giveaway box. At this point, I'm unsure. But I'm not mad to have it. The next item that I have is a palette, and that is what I use to create this look. Defiance Carmella Cosmetics. Cute packaging. That's the outer carton. The palette looks the same. This is a cruelty-free brand, and the shelf life is 24 months. It looks like it's in recyclable packaging. It does have a mirror and a shade saver. And here's what the shades look like. Very neutral palette. It looks fine on my eyes. It did seem to be a little bit powdery, but it went on well, blended out fine. I would not pay $35 for this though. That's a little high, I think, for this palette. But, I mean, it's okay. I would not reach for this a lot, I can tell you. I'm not even sure that it will make it to the inventory spreadsheet. Yes, friends, I have an inventory spreadsheet because I have so many, as you can see on that shelf back there. I have a lot of palettes, so I will probably gift that to somebody that won't mind having a used palette. The next item that I have is this Motd highlight powder. Makeup of the day. I have never used this brand, so I was excited to get this. And I love a highlighter. Here's what the packaging looks like. It has a elastic band on it to keep it closed. It has a shade saver which is stuck to the top. It says, "You be you, only better." And there's what it looks like. It's a very pretty shade, and I have it on. You can see how glowy it is. I have it on my nose and on my cheeks. Very glowy, very pretty though. I really like it. And so that's what's in my IPSY bag. The total value of my IPSY bag is $200, and I signed up for IPSY for a year. So my bags cost me $24.89. I think that's with shipping and tax and everything included, and my bag was worth $200. If you enjoyed watching me unbag my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, show the like button some love. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, this is the perfect palette for you because you are Defiant for sure. Do you know how I know that? Where are you at? You're not watching any of my videos. Do you need some makeup of the day? I don't know what to say to you. Do you need some pumpkin turmeric? It's got 8 super orange essence in it. And then we can anti-frizz. Christopher, this is what you need. We need to anti-frizz your beard. Because the other day when I was video chatting with Brandy, I saw you and it was like, pfft, you need some of this. We're going to anti-frizz the beard. Because you must be blowing it out. This will help you when you blow dry your beard so it doesn't frizz all up. Okay? Alright, Mama loves you, boo.